conversation class. And in conversation, we try to answer the given questions. Conversation is what? Speaking on some topic. And it happens when we understand the topic and we are trying to answer some questions related to the topic. Isn't it? That is what we are going to do today. Today, we are going to revise one such topic that we have already done. So, can anyone tell me? Festivals. Yes, we have just celebrated so many festivals, isn't it? Then, we have also understood how we celebrate these festivals, why we do them, and we have also learned one thing. How many types of festivals are there? So, can anyone answer this question of mine? How many types of festivals do we have? Yes, class? We have 2 types of festivals, don't we? Yes. So, can you tell me which are those 2 different types of festivals we have? One is the one which is celebrated by completely the whole nation. Yes, we call them national festivals. So, one is national festivals, and which is the other one? Can anyone tell me? Celebrated by the people of different religion, different community. We call them religious festivals. Yes. So, the other one is religious festivals, isn't it? Now, when we talk of national festivals, we have 3 of them. Can anyone tell me their names? 26th January, what we call it? Republic Day. And we always celebrate it on 26th January itself. Then, which is the second one? 15th August. So, what we celebrate on 15th August? Independence Day. Very good. And the third one? 2nd October. What we celebrate on 2nd October? We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. Isn't it? So, these 3 are our national festivals. Now, when we move to the other part, another type of festivals, we call them religious festivals. That means the festivals which is celebrated by the people of different religion, or you can call different community. Like some festivals are celebrated by Hindus, some are celebrated by Muslims, some are celebrated by Sikh. So we have different communities celebrating different festivals, and we call them religious festivals. Like we have Holi, we have Basant Panchami, we have Lohri, Baisakhi, then we have Raksha Bandhan, Dussehra, Diwali, Eid, Christmas, isn't it? Gurupurb. So many festivals we have. So let's have a quick revision about all these festivals, and after that there will be some questions which you are going to answer. Let's begin with the work. Okay. So class, as we all have seen, in India we celebrate festivals that is national and religious, isn't it? Now, the first one we have is Republic Day. So can anyone tell me, is Republic Day a national festival or a religious festival? Yes, 26th January, or you can call it Republic Day, is our national festival, and it is celebrated by the whole nation. पूरी countries को celebrate करती है, because we got our constitution in act on this day. Then we have Independence Day. So what is Independence Day? The day on which we got our freedom, and we celebrate this day as Independence Day. And on which day we do it? On 15th August. Understood? On 15th August we celebrate Independence Day. And again, Independence Day is our national festival. Now the next one we have is 2nd October, which is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. So is Gandhi Jayanti a religious festival or it's a national festival? It's a national festival. So why we celebrate this day, class? Because on this day our father of the nation born. कौन किसका बर्थ हुआ था? गांधी जी का. And he is called father of our nation. And you know what these wise 3 little monkeys saying to us? See no evil, hear no evil, and speak no evil. And with that, Gandhiji was always supporting Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. He wanted our country to be as clean as possible. Then we have Lohri, one of the very important festivals celebrated in Punjab. People there, what they do? They dance, they sing around a bonfire. Bonfire क्या होती है? जब सर्दी में हमें ठंड लगती है तो हम क्या करते हैं? हमें कैसी bonfire लगा लेते हैं and we dance, we sit around it and we take the warmth. हम उससे उसकी warmth लेते हैं. So in Punjab, people they celebrate Lohri with great enthusiasm. Then we have Basant Panchami, which is also called Vasant Panchami. V or B both are correct pronunciations, and on this day we worship goddess Saraswati. You know who is she? Goddess of wisdom, goddess of जो हम पढ़ाई करते हैं, जो हम विद्या लेते हैं, तो ये कौन है? विद्या की देवी हैं. She is the one who makes us intelligent. She is the one with whose blessings we learn so many things. Then we have Holi. So we all know Holi is the festival of colors. What we do? We play with so many colors with our friends. We play with them and enjoy the day. Again, it's a religious festival. Then we have Baisakhi as the harvesting festival of our country. So what happens on this day? All the farmers, they go to their fields and cut the crops, and these crops, whatever they cut and collect, is used to feed the whole nation. हम सबको खाना इन्हीं किसानों की, इन्हीं farmers की वजह से मिलता है खाने को. Then we have Raksha Bandhan, a bond of love between a brother and sister when the sister ties Rakhi on brother's hand. After this, we have Janmashtami, which is celebrated as birth of Lord Shri Krishna. Then Dussehra. So why we celebrate Dussehra? We celebrate Dussehra for the victory of good over evil. And how it happened? When Shri Ram killed Ravana. And how we celebrate? By burning the effigies of Ravan, Meghnad and Kumbhakarna. So what we are doing today? We are all celebrating Diwali. So I hope all your house They might be decorated with lots of lights, other decorations. You all might be cleaning your houses and enjoying a lot of sweets. So we celebrate Diwali when Shri Ram returned back to Ayodhya after killing Ravan. Then this is Eid, which is celebrated by Muslim community. What they do, they go to mosque, offer worship, offer their prayers, eat semiyar, wish each other Eid Mubarak and celebrate the festival. Then we have Guru Purv, which is celebrated as birthday of 10th Sikh Guru, Guru Nanak Dev Ji. And people, they go to Gurudwaras, then they take prasad from langar and they do seva there. Now class, which festival is this? Christmas. And it is celebrated as birthday of Lord Jesus. So what we do, we decorate Christmas trees, we decorate our homes again with lights, and Santa Claus comes and gives us gift. We celebrate it with lot of cake, chocolates, hot chocolates and all these things. Now class, you have to answer these questions. Understood? Hope you have understood it well. Time for you all to finish your work.